Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the finals. Whenever I try to play the game, I got the error system integrity violation and internal anti-cheat integrity check failed and followed by error code TFAV1012. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Steam, go to library and you just need to right click on the finals and select properties and select the installed files and select browse. Now right click on the EC anti-cheat and delete it, and after doing this go back to Steam and select verify integrity of game files. After finish verifying, you just need to close stuff here and right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here you just need to search for discovery folder, right click on it and delete it. After deleting this folder you just need to close it up here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.